Over the last 50 years, coral reefs in the Dominican Republic have been drastically degraded. Local threats such as pollution, sedimentation, and harmful practices like anchoring put the recovery and survival of coral reefs at risk. Since 2016, the Bavaro Reef Ecological Foundation launched a project with the goal of rehabilitating coastal ecosystems in the Bavaro area. Through the propagation of coral colonies, the Foundation's Coral Garden has created a refuge for fish and many other marine organisms. In this way, coral reefs in the Bavaro area are slowly being restored. How do we restore reefs? We transplant coral fragments into degraded reef areas. We build nurseries where coral fragments grow for a period of 6 to 12 months. We carry out maintenance and monitoring of the restored reef together with local authorities.